Hello everyone, how are you doing? So here's a quick video about the Mercedes, an update on the car. First update on the car is I still have issues with the blower motor, so the cabin is always blazing hot. Right now the motor, the fan works, but it only works at the low speed and you can barely feel it. So I will fix that soon and then that will be done. Second, this antenna here, I replaced an antenna mast. And then I had bad luck again, you know. First there was a car wash or a kid that hit it. There's always something that happens and these snap off. And I'm just done with it. And I thought I would figure out a different solution. And I ordered a new antenna. It's right here, look at it. You can pull it out and you see what it looks like. Look how long they are. Sorry, I do that one-handed and has sliding down. There you go. See how long that is. I bought a new antenna mast and I couldn't get one for a long time. It didn't arrive, and in the meantime I found a different solution, like I said, and I converted it from a power antenna that turns on, goes up automatically when the radio is on, goes down when you turn it off, to just a normal antenna that's always out, which is quite honestly more practical, and there's a reason power antennas disappeared from the vehicles. Now if you look for a Mercedes option or something that you can bolt straight on, you will not find something. You'll have to order one, and there are a few companies that offer them, conversion kits. Here's one of them that I found, and those guys are called Masts R Us. They are a company since 1999, I see. The superstore for antennas. This is part A516, and from what I see, it's from the United States and probably made in the United States, but no guarantee. It doesn't say different, and everything looks pretty good on it. Doesn't matter. So it's pretty simple. They give you this here. See, and the thread matches exactly the OEM thread in here that you need. And so first you get some tools and you screw that in. Now I'm just gonna do it by hand right now. There, that's tight enough to show you that. Then you get this little antenna here, and they have different models, but this is a short antenna. It's kind of rubberized. It looks like a lot of OEM antennas looked like back in the 90s and also in the early 2000s, and it is car wash proof. So look at that thread, fits right in this, and screw that on, and there you go. There you go, you have a short antenna on the Mercedes. You can do that on any Mercedes, you know, from the similar years. They have a website where it tells you exactly on what cars they fit. And yeah, it's Benz, see? And they say it's car wash proof. I believe them, you know. I haven't tried it. Obviously right now I haven't driven the car for a while. It runs and drives fine, but I'll wait till I have the air and everything fixed. Well, the air conditioner works fine, but till I have the blower motor fixed. See, what do you think? Do you like this antenna or not? I don't know. I think it looks good. I think it gives a little bit of a different look, but I like it as a personal choice. And I'll hang on to this big guy here, you know. If you want to know how to feed those in, the thread here, those teeth, they need to point to the front of the car, and you feed them in this hole. Have someone turn the radio on, then the little wheel spins and it pulls the antenna in. Then you tighten it and it will be in. So right now when you turn it on, you can hear the motor spin, but of course there's nothing to grab. The reception is great, really great. I tried it. I cannot demonstrate that because YouTube will flag me if I have a radio song in my video, so I cannot demonstrate it, but it is great with this one. So even without an antenna I got some reception, so with this one it is really good. All right, short update on my Mercedes, and it's still unclear if I keep the car or not. But anyhow, if I sell the car, I'll make sure everything works and everything is great before I sell it. And the seller will of course get all of the stuff, all of the parts that I already bought for it. But until then, there will be some time till I have taken that decision. And if anyone's interested, just talk to me and we can figure something out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please ask me questions in the comments. Yeah, share your opinions, share the video, and hopefully you have a wonderful summer, and talk to you soon.